होता क्या है, that is liable for some gains. Next is assault, keeping the patient in the hospital without any need. Low standard care का meaning क्या होता है? Hello everyone, welcome back to Nosset with Jaspreet. In this video we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is torts. Torts बहुत types के होते हैं, intentional, unintentional. Now in this video we will be discussing it in details. So let's start with what basically tort is. Tort होता क्या है? It is a civil wrong that is liable for a legal action. Something that you do in the hospital setup, in your professional setup, which is like making you liable for a legal action. अगर आप वो पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट करते हो हॉस्पिटल में, दैट कैन मेक यू लैंड अप इन अ लीगल एक्शन, राइट? ये होते हैं टॉर्ट्स. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the two major types of torts. One is intentional tort and other is unintentional torts. Intentional का meaning क्या होता है? Something which we are doing deliberately with the conscious mind. हमें पता है that this is wrong but still we are doing it. That is intentional. And what is unintentional? We are not doing it intentionally but yet it happened and you landed up in a legal action, right? So जो इस स्लाइड पर है दैट इज द इंटेंशनल टॉर्ट्स. इंटेंशनल टॉर्ट्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है? फर्स्ट इज फ्रॉड. फ्रॉड क्या होता है? फ्रॉड इज डूइंग अ रॉन्ग समथिंग रॉन्ग टू द पेशेंट दैट इज लायबल फॉर सम गेन्स. आपने कुछ ऐसा अनप्रोफेशनल किया पेशेंट के साथ दैट हेल्प्ड यू गेन समथिंग एंड द पेशेंट लॉस्ट इट, राइट? समथिंग you gained but the patient lost it. This is liable for the legal action. I hope this is clear, right? So fraud क्या था? It is like a deliberate deception. You are deliberately deceiving the patient for the unlawful gains. ठीक है? You are deliberately deceiving the patient for the unlawful gains. That is called as a fraud. Next is assault. Assault और battery दो बहुत ही closely related terms है. Assault is you are threatening someone that you will hit that individual, right? आपने किसी पेशेंट को थ्रेट किया that if you don't do this I will hit you. ठीक है? आपने उसको क्या किया? एक फियर दे दिया उसके माइंड में. That can be a assault. You are not doing that actually, but you are creating a fear in the mind of the patient that you are going to do this. ठीक है? ये हो गया assault. अब assault के बाद आता है battery. Now what is battery? Battery का मीनिंग ये होता है that you are touching the patient without even asking the patient, and you are not touching the patient just for the sake of medical intervention. You are trying to threaten that patient. If you are touching any patient without the consent, without the need of medical intervention, that means you are doing battery, which is an intentional tort. आपको पता है that this is wrong. We cannot touch any patient without the patient's permission. But still if you are doing it, that means you are doing a battery. उसके बाद डिफेमेशन आता है. डिफेमेशन से दो टर्म्स आती हैं. फर्स्ट इज स्लैंडर एंड अदर इज लिबेल. स्लैंडर और लिबेल में से एक दो क्वेश्चन हर साल नोटशीट में पूछा जाता है. नाउ व्हाट इज डिफेमेशन? डिफेमेशन का अगर हम हिंदी में एक वर्ड में मीनिंग ढूंढे, दिस इज मानहानि. कॉजिंग लाइक spreading false information about a person, that is going to cause defamation, जो उसकी अल्टीमेटली उस इंडिविजुअल की रेपुटेशन को अफेक्ट करेगा. आप किसी के बारे में अगर ऐसी बात बोलते हो, that is also an intentional tort. अब इंटेंशनल क्यों है? We know that we cannot say something about the individual which is going to harm the reputation of that individual, right? But still we are doing it क्योंकि वो इंटेंशनल है, हम तो बोलेंगे. ठीक है? डिफेमेशन का मतलब होता है कोई ऐसे वर्ड्स, ऐसे स्लैंग्स किसी इंडिविजुअल के बारे में यूज करना दैट इज अल्टीमेटली गोइंग टू कॉज द हार्म टू द इंडिविजुअल्स रेपुटेशन. ठीक है? अब इसमें हमारे पास दो आते हैं, स्लैंडर एंड लिबेल. स्लैंडर एंड लिबेल. स्लैंडर का मतलब होता है ओरल डिफेमेशन एंड लिबेल का मतलब होता है रिटन डिफेमेशन. जब आप किसी के बारे में ओरल डिफेमेशन कर रहे हैं, दैट इज स्लैंडर, and when you are doing the written defamation, it is libel. ठीक है? First was fraud. Fraud is the deliberate deception that you are going to do to an individual for your gains. Assault is threatening someone so that they are afraid of you. Battery is touching the patient without the consent, without the need of on the medical grounds. ठीक है? उसके बाद आता है defamation. Defamation is spreading misinformation about an individual that is going to harm the reputation. It can be a oral defamation which is called as slander, and it can be written defamation which is called as a libel. Next is false imprisonment. Keeping the patient in the hospital without any need. अब पेशेंट डिस्चार्ज हो सकता है, पेशेंट को हॉस्पिटल स्टे की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, but still you are not giving the patient discharge. That means you are doing the false imprisonment of the patient, which is also a intentional tort, and it can make you land up into the legal action. उसके बाद invasion of privacy. The patient is not interested in telling you the personal stories of his life, but still you are invading into the privacy without the medical grounds. आप patient से ऐसे poke कर करके उसकी privacy में घुस रहे हैं उस चीज के लिए which is not even required on the medical grounds. That is invasion of privacy. एंड ये सारे प्रिवेंटेबल हैं और सारे के सारे जो टॉर्ट्स हैं वो इंटेंशनल है. इफ समथिंग इज इंटेंशनल इट कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड. ठीक है. फ्रॉड, असॉल्ट, बैटरी, डिफेमेशन, false imprisonment and invasion of privacy are the intentional torts and must be avoided because they are liable for the legal action. उसके बाद आता है unintentional torts. Unintentional tort means you are unwillingly doing it, but yes, it is going to harm the patient and it is going to make you land up into the legal action. अब unintentional torts में हमारे पास एक आता है negligence, एक आता है malpractice. Negligence means below the standard care जब आप किसी पेशेंट को प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Below standard care का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Below standard care का मीनिंग है that on time मेडिकेशन करना था, पेशेंट का सही मेडिकेशन देना था, वो आपकी स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड केयर है. बट बिलो स्टैंडर्ड केयर कैसे? इट कैन बी एक्ट ऑफ ओमिशन and it can be an act of commission. Act of omission का मतलब है you were supposed to do that thing but you skipped it. Omit कर दिया आपने. For example, at 8 a.m. you were supposed to administer an anti-epileptic medication to the patient. 8 बजे सुबह वो anti-epileptic medication देनी थी but you forgot to give. आपने उस चीज को क्या कर दिया? Omit कर दिया. You forgot to give that. That is an act of omission. And it is negligence as well that you were not vigilant about giving the medication to the patient. And if a patient misses the anti-epileptic medication, the patient can land up into the status epilepticus, which can be deadly for the patient. So ultimately, आपने एक ऐसी चीज omit कर दी which was a part of your scheduled work. That is negligence and that too act of omission. Act of commission का मतलब होता है you did something but that was not required. You were supposed to administer XYZ, any analgesic, suppose PCM to the patient, but you gave diclofenac. आपको वो नहीं करना था, but still you did it. That is the act of commission. Omission का मतलब होता है that you skipped something. Commission means you did something additional that instead of causing good to the patient, that reduce the standard quality of your care. ठीक है. उसके बाद आता है malpractice. Malpractice का मतलब होता है doing something which is out of your professional boundaries, something which is not to be done by you on your level, you still did that. Being in this profession, we are not supposed to insert a central venous catheter in the patients. Central line डालने का हमें authority नहीं होता, but still you tried it and the patient landed up into the trouble. So that means you're doing a malpractice. Malpractice मतलब wrong practice, something which is out of your professional boundary, but still you are doing it. That means you're doing a malpractice. So these are all torts and ये बहुत important है in terms of NORCET point of view. NORCET क्या? GMCH, SGPGI, RUHS, हर एग्जाम में इसमें से 1 to 2 क्वेश्चन हमेशा एक्सपेक्टेड होता है, दैट टू इन प्री. ठीक है. टॉर्ट्स में से 1-2 टर्मिनोलॉजी पे क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है. अदर वीडियो जैसे होती है कोड ऑफ एथिक्स. कोड ऑफ एथिक्स का लिंक हैज बीन पोस्टेड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. डू वॉच दैट वीडियो एज वेल. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.